Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Mukram. Hope you're doing good. As we are covering about the Excel series, let's talk about like making changes into the worksheet, and this is all about inserting, deleting, or modifying, copying the data or moving the data. This is how we have created the monthly budget sheet. So just I will do a little bit. Yeah, this should be nice, I think so. So just make sure that I'm copying the data. So let's copy the data. Yeah, this is perfect. And then I will just go to the corner of right side of my table, or you can go here to the left corner downwards, or the right one. You could see there is a plus sign over here, and then you could see what you can do is let's talk about it and let's see how things working out. So what I will do is just do the Control Z, and over here you could see the plus mark, and then you can slowly drag and drop. That's it. Within a sheet, if you want to move, this is the best way. Just you need to drag and drop this where you want to copy or move. That's it. It's look beautiful and it's in the center of the sheet. And if you want to copy paste this one, you can do the cut method, Control C, and you can paste it over here. Yes, just increase the size and this will be perfect, I think so. Yes, over here too is a day, right? Percentage. Yeah, you could see the how you paste the data, and over here there is a show of the percentage of the data. While moving down the sheet, might be not copy quickly, so again goes on. We can delete the data. See over here we have the sheet, or you want to copy it, you can do Control C over here, and then you can paste the data. This is percentage, so this is not a general thing, this is currency accounting long term. This is percentage. So make this as percentage. Yeah. Still, let's see what's there inside. E5/K2L. E5/K2L. This is not what we needed. E5/ we needed like 558. Then it's like E10 we needed. Yeah, this is what we needed because we copy paste it. Might be due to that we are facing the error, so delete this cell. Now you need to autofill it. That's it, guys, so simple. Now you got the 100% data, and I hope how you can do it so simply. It's like monthly budget, you can calculate it 100%. You can see over here you have calculated the things in a beautiful way. So this is the copy paste, and if you want to do you can move within a sheet, or if you want to drag and drop, or you want to cut paste, you can do in this beautiful way. That's it in this section, and in the next I will be covering up like adding up or deleting the data in the Excel. Thank you, have a great day, bye, take care.